in the previous video, we used three boxes to create our first package, right? Okay, actually, I made a mistake, right? So here should be USA. If you read here, it's only a two-character code, so it should be US, all right? But no harm done. All right, so now I'm going to show you how if you have got multiple inputs, right? Let's say, for example, I want to create input for this. What should I do instead? Right, so let's start with the country, right? So I may, okay, so we'll create input here. So this input here, we'll call it the country, all right, or maybe the geolocation, right, for the search, right? And in this case, it could be a UK. So this time around, we'll try UK, and then the keyword is still washing machine, and then UK, and then if you look down, look at this side here, we can have a city, right? So in this case, it could be a city, a state, or a country, right? So let's maybe try this. Okay, so this could be a city, and then we have one more. So this is a language, all right? So let's shall we put the input? Yeah, for that. Okay, so this will be the uh, language, right? So now you have these four boxes here. Like I said in the previous video, right? If you do not have the dot on top and dot below, you cannot connect. But automatically, if you have this, you would be able to pull all this into the search, right? This input. So let me show what I mean, right? So to pull this into here, right? You just need to type A, okay, and G. So you will review this. Just click on it. Then the location, add, and then city, and then the language, add L, and then you click on this. So essentially what happens is that whatever you enter inside here, you will put into this box and fulfill the requirement for the search, right? Which then hopefully will give you a result. So this time around, maybe we'll try something else. We'll try a JSON and see whether if the, uh, you know, if the, what call it, is output into, that means the end result, right? After the search is completed, whether the results will be put inside here. All right, so I'm going to run this package. So this is 14 credits left, right? And then I'm going to change this, right? So maybe change this to a dryer, and then maybe UK, and then maybe London, and the search result will be in English, right? I think it's the end if I'm not wrong, and then we'll hit the run package. Okay, so very quickly it's completed. Right, so now we have our results in JSON, very neat, right? Previous compared to the early on when we have it marked down, right, to HTML or something, and then now we have this, right? So they are related searches, questions. So this is the Q&A part, right? Whatever is on the search engine result page, people also ask. So this is a bit more readable. So again, if you have this, you can copy and paste it like in a say go look for a tool that says like for example JSON to CSV, right? And then you click on this, and then you can just copy whatever you have here. Right? Let me see the yeah. So if you have this, then maybe you okay copy this, and if it doesn't work, then just ask OpenAI to clean up for you, right? Because there could be other things like all this in there that needs to be removed, right? Okay, so if you want, you can just take copy of this, right? Or you can just copy this, right? And there you go. So you convert, and then you can, in the next sequence, you can actually download this results, and then you can use the results for whatever you want to do, right? So this is how it works. If you let's say for example, if you okay, even if you buy, let's say purchase a new account, but you don't really understand how to connect to Publi, or say you don't read JSON, but you can make use of tools to help you make sense of it. And even if you cannot read JSON, if you can just copy and paste and put this inside here, then you would definitely be able to read this table, I'm sure, right? So this is like the search results, and then you can still make use of this, right? So until then, after that, you can perhaps level up and then figure out how to use the rest of the webhooks to maybe the Publi or the Zapier, and then using whatever engine they have behind to make sense of the data that you feed them, right? So essentially, this is um, the follow-up video to the earlier one, right? Um, for multiple inputs. So I hope you learned something new. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.